Hello everyone. I've posted a video activity for you to review what we've learned about stress. In our course site, click the content link, go to the bottom of the list, and click the video activity link. Next, go to the top and click the 3 strategies for coping with stress link. A new window opens in eslvideo.com. As a previewing activity, read the questions in the quiz section. Place your cursor in the quiz box and scroll down to read all 6 questions. Don't answer the questions yet. After you've finished reading, it's time to watch the video. Move your cursor to the middle of the video screen. The play button for the video turns red. Click the play button to watch the video. The video is 3.5 minutes long. You can pause and restart the video using these buttons at the bottom of the screen.
People are feeling more stressed.
After watching the video, return to the quiz section. For each question, click the button to select the best answer. Just select one button. Remember to scroll down to answer all 6 questions. When you are finished, click the button See How You Did. Send me your score. Enter your name and the class code ESL56, then click Send. If you didn't score 100%, watch the video and try the quiz again. Send me your score each time. If you have any questions, contact me through the course messages link on our course site. Have fun watching the video.